Hey there, Tallman Clan. Welcome back. Today we are in Phoenix, Arizona. We are at Destination RV. We're going to look at this Della Terra. This is model number 251RD. Let's take a look. As we come up to the front, as you see, you have generous storage up front. Lots of space for bins. I love the fact that they have hooks up here to hang your cranks. Even though this is an electric system, they do have the cranks in case something else happens. As you look up, you have an awning that covers pretty much the entire side of the RV. There's 2 access doors. There's a place to hook your furry friends, 2 axles, heated underbelly. You've got your step above step. There's some power on this side. All right, again, 251RD. Moving to the back, your spare tire is mounted there full time. You're pre-wired for Furrion backup camera, and you have a Lippert ladder on the go system. Coming around to your far side, your sewer connection is right here. Above there is your black tank flush, your power connection, and up here is where you connect your fresh water. Actually, that's your fresh water filled. There's your connection for your water right there. Sorry, it comes up right through here. And you can control your slide from out here as well, instead of doing it on the inside. All right, so let's take a look at the numbers. It says a gross vehicle weight of 9,435 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,981 pounds.
Wow.
That is fantastic storage capability. Up front, you have an electric jack to take it off the tow vehicle, 2 20-pound propane tanks, and a spot for 2 batteries. So that's it for the outside. Let's go look at the inside. We want to thank Chris and his entire team for having us here. If you like the RV that you've just seen, do us a favor, give them a call here at 602-441-4936. And make sure you tell them the Tall Man sent you. So this is a really spacious floor plan, Lisa.
Wow.
Look at all the room up in here.
Yes.
It's fantastic.
You could have a square dance up here.
Really?
Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, you could, we were dancing all around. Do-si-do, and away we go. Anyway, all right, so as you come into your left, RD stands for rear dining. So you have your U-shape or C-shaped dinette. This is down in its bed configuration, so you put a couple of these back cushions right here, and you have another sleeping position. There is storage underneath, as well as some cabinetry up above the dinette, which is a full pass-through. Over here is your sofa, which is a jackknife, so this is also sleeping area. All right, directly across, actually it's pretty comfortable. Directly across from me is your fireplace, which Lisa loves because she's got freakishly tiny cold feet.
Yep.
And right above there is where your TV would go.
Very nice.
And that leads right into the kitchen.
It does. And having this extra countertop space is always a blessing in the kitchen.
Yep.
So you do have your 3-burner stove. You've got your oven. Above that, we've got a microwave. Moving around, we've got some storage cabinets. That goes all the way back.
It does go all the way back, but it is closed off on that side.
Correct.
I like that.
Me too. You do have some power here. You've got overhead lighting both in the corner as well as over the sink. Speaking of sink, you do have a large single basin sink, a nice faucet, some huge storage underneath, as well as a couple of drawers here, which I am always really challenged.
Don't pull too hard, but you do have to pull harder.
And then over on the other
Still
side,
taped, we'll leave it.
It is taped.
That's a 12-volt, guys, okay? And there's some storage over here for food pantry, all right? 3 different cubbies. All right, then behind this door, what's behind door number 1? Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tallman's Toilet Test.
So if this is your first time finding one of our videos, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. And also do us a huge favor, right? Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you, costs you absolutely nothing, and it really does help support the channel. And Lisa and I would sincerely appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, this is a porcelain foot flush toilet, and from where I'm sitting, there's a little bit of the water. They winterize this before it ships, so I don't want to put my feet in this pink stuff and walk all the way around. But I can tell you, this is a good position for someone at my height of 6'4", okay? To my left is your vanity and sink. Lots of countertop space for all the lotions and potions. There's some storage underneath as well as over there. Oh, that's nice storage.
That is, yeah, huge.
I'm not sure what to put in there, but there's no place for towels in here. I would probably fold them up and put them in there.
You could do that, yeah.
Or even, yeah, I don't know, maybe a garbage can for the kitchen. I don't know. I'd put the towels in there since there's no
dirty
place
clothes
else.
hamper.
You could do that, yeah. And a medicine cabinet. You know, there's no reason why they couldn't have put that higher. All right, so I can only see from, and I'm standing back a ways. I can only see from my nose down. I was standing a little bit closer. Yeah, I really have to back up and duck, so they could have put that up a little bit, okay? Moving into the shower, again, I want to be careful not to step in this pink stuff. 36 by 30, right, standard RV shower. The skylight, or the bubble as I call it, is in a great spot. You could be every bit of 6'7" and standing here. Shower head's in a good space. There's 3 shelves behind me for your shampoos and soaps and things, okay? And my favorite door, the retractable door. Love that.
And upgraded shower and knobs there too.
Yep, love that. So getting into the master, this is where the second entry is. You also have the nice solid step there as well, which is great, okay? The storage underneath the bed, which is all finished off. Nice pistons. Yeah. And let's get a measurement on this bed, because I feel this is like an RV king.
It does look pretty big.
It looks really big. So let me get out this tape measure.
All right.
So I'm pretty sure we're going to be 80. So let's do that first. Yep, 80. Drum roll, please. 70. Yeah, so an RV king.
Yeah.
80 by 70.
Yep.
So an RV king. That's awesome. As you can see, cabinetry does wrap the bed. The tall cabinets on the end, they'll be for all your hanging stuff. There's a rod in there. And then this will be full pass-through for your folded clothes. There is power and USB left and right of the bed. So if you have CPAPs, dueling CPAPs, you can do that. And as well as a decent, sort of nightstand, if you will. If you want a TV, it would mount up here. Okay? It does say king-size bed.
It does.
But we like to check.
We do, because you never know if it's an RV king or a residential king. And that does make a difference.
I just love the space up here, guys.
I know.
What do y'all think? You like the space up here?
Yeah.
All right, we'll leave a comment below.
And there's only one slide.
Yep. The other thing we didn't mention, it's got a Bluetooth sort of speaker that works for the TV, but you can also take this and bring it outside and do some different things with it. So, like that, it would mount right there. So,
very nice.
All right, let us know what you think of this, guys. All right, until we see you somewhere on the road, be safe.